I don't know.
Yeah, they say.
Huh? Doesn't it? Late night bacon with wine. Oh, how's your teeth feel? You feel okay?
Yeah.
Go Springer. Let's make some eggy cookies. With wine. Whatever. I love you.
Isn't that fun?
You're so weird. Get out of here. Gosh, you're so cute. All right.
I will. Oh,
Brown sugar.
cow. Can I?
So we have granulated.
Can I please dump it in?
No,
Why?
because I like things to be sanitary
It's gonna be sanitary.
perfect.
It is gonna be sanitary.
Tiao. Tiao. Want to do the third one?
Yes.
All right.
I know how to do it.
Okay. So we also have our granulated sugar and our brown sugar. Oh, wait, we also need the paddle. Can you grab the paddle for the mixer? That would be it. Thank you, love. Little, just one notch. We're going to give it a little spinaroo. Two. Bitchin'. Off. No, off. Off.
No.
So we'll lift this up, and then we need to bring in our
Sugar. Flour.
flour. I don't know why, but it's 4.5 cups, but I will use the 4 cups like this, but the half I will not use like this. I will use the quarter, 2 quarters. Just, I love you. I love you, baby. Wash your hands. Get in there, wash your hands.
No.
Afrodoma. Afrodoma. Okay, so don't pull on this. So you can help me dump it.
I know how to do it. Mommy, I know how to do
Okay.
it. Let go.
Okay. Don't make a mess.
I know how to do it.
Okay.
I know how to do it. Mom.
Okay. So don't touch my stuff anymore. I love you.
Hey.
Get out of here. Cooking with children and late at night. Wine.
Chocolate egg in it.
So we have about 1.5 cups of mini eggs. And then we're also going to get a cup of Belgian chocolate and give it a stir. Did you leave? So everything stirs up, and then we'll make it into individual traditional size cookies. And this is for the Coldwater Wildcats fundraiser. Can't have wine, what's the point? It's actually really shitty wine. It's not very good.
Is it on?
Yeah, baby.
Why is the video on?
Why not? I don't know.
Are you gonna delete it?
I'm gonna edit everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna delete it?
Edit, baby. Edit. Okay, so we're packaging up 24 individual cookies for the Coldwater Wildcats. We have our mini eggy dough. So I don't know what size this is, but I find it's like a healthy dough-sized cookie. All right. One. Oh, it feels so smooth. 3. So we're going to fill up our sheet pan and see how many we get. So we have our 24 eggs all dosed out, or mini egg cookies all dosed out. And once the oven is preheated, I'm going to toss them in. They'll cook for about 15 minutes. And then we'll bring them out, let them sit on the racks for probably a good hour before we package them up. That way there's no smooshing of the chocolate. And we'll make them pretty. My partner in crime left me. He got bored and wanted to go play Switch. Okay, so to package up our individual cookies, our little cellophane bags, little individual cookies, pop it in, And then I have my little heat sealer, which is an amazing little device. Hold it down for a few seconds. Plug it in first, or it's not going to do anything. Honestly, I know what I'm doing. Enough said. Let's try again. Individual baggies. Put it in the heat sealer. So then what I generally like to do is just kind of fold down and fold it over. And I just use a little round sticky to seal. So for individual cookies like this, for this kind of a thing, that's what I do. So I just fold it down, heat seal it, little sticky. I do not put my logo or anything on it. I do not need to put any advertising on something like this for a fundraiser. It's just a cookie. So I'm going to go ahead and package up everything just like this until I have 24 done, and see you at the end. For orders, I also like to do car cookies. So I did a big guy as a car cookie as a thank you, so you can not touch these and then eat your car cookie in the car on the way home. Yeah. What up, my guy? Right?
Yeah, no words.
No words one? Okay.
Hey everybody, my name's Henry.
What up, my guy? So these yummy cookies are fresh out of the oven, and we're going to package them all individually and put them into this box. Don't look at me like I'm a weirdo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, you know what? It's been a very long time since I've had wine. Just don't fall off, because I really don't feel like taking you to the hospital tonight. You know what I'm saying? My guy. So I have an entire fresh box of individually wrapped cookies for the Wildcats for tomorrow morning. A fun little car cookie for Mama who placed the order. I hope they have fun tomorrow. I remember when my guys were Wildcats, and well, the big one was a Wildcat for a couple of years. It was a good time. So I'm gonna go chill, maybe jump in the hot tub, maybe not, maybe just sit and zombify in front of the TV with this. Cookie lab closed. Going home.